Most of the compounds and polish that we find on the market today contains filler. Filler are substances that go and fill the scratches. I don't see them, but they are there. So how can I see the real situation of the paint after my polish? Well, for this purpose, RUPES has created REVEAL, two products that are the topic of today's video. Sometimes when we polish, we see a perfect finish. We see a surface that has no holograms, no swirl marks, but that's not reality. We're seeing a fake situation because the scratches might be there, but they are filled with fillers. I don't see the scratches, but my customer takes his car, he drives it away, and after 1 week, after some days, these scratches might come back because fillers are washed away by rain or they are destroyed by the action of sunlight, and so the customer will not be happy. He might think, I have been deceived, I don't want to go anytime back to that professional, I will go to someone else next time I need a polishing service. So we must make sure that what we see is the real situation, and that's why we have created these two products. These products are able to remove the fillers from the surface and let me see if I really have removed all the scratches or I still have something there and I need to work longer. Two products, why? Well, one is stronger accordingly to our RUPES color code. The blue one is the stronger. It's called REVEAL Strong, and it's able to remove 100% of the fillers, but it's recommended for perfectly cured paints, let's say older than some weeks. This is the most effective. In this way, I am sure that there are no fillers left on the surface. The yellow one is called REVEAL Lite. It is slightly less effective than the blue, but is much more gentle, and it's recommended when I'm working on paints that I'm not sure that are completely cured. Let's say less than 1 week, less than some few days, 24 hours. 48 hours. So in the first time, it's still not 100% cured. The yellow one is the best choice. How to use these products? What we recommend is to not spray them directly on the paint, but spray them on the microfiber towel and with the wet microfiber agitate the surface to remove these residues, these fillers. This is one possible application after polishing, but there are some more applications. For example, before the application of a nano coating, to make sure that on the surface there are no contaminants, there is nothing left, and my nano coating will make its action. Another possible application is prior to polish, to remove from the paint any oil or grease that I might have and that might interfere with the action of the abrasive of the compound. So these are very versatile products. I recommend to any of you to have one of these products in your studio because they might be useful on a daily basis. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao!